Just a couple of seconds ago, Samsung introduced their new flippable, foldable phones and watches, and let's talk about Flip7, this kind of very tiny phone. When you know those movies and those scenes where they're like, I'm gonna find you and I'm gonna kill you. Those are so back. For the first time since we moved to Canada, I had a privilege to be a part of cohort of content creators who were invited to an NDA session. It means that Samsung trusted me and a bunch of other content creators to see all these new devices beforehand, before the global announcement. So I had any time I needed with new Galaxy Z Fold7, new Galaxy Z Flip7, all new watches, and a bunch of other accessories.
That's your typical YouTuber table.
We had a great time. I got to meet new people, and this is all very exciting for me. So I very appreciate your support, that you're watching these videos. It makes a lot of difference to me. Thank you. Galaxy Z Flip7, a compact and stylish foldable device available in 3 beautiful colors: blue shadow, jet black, and coral red. The Galaxy Z Flip7 is powered by an octa-core Samsung Exynos 2500 processor. It offers storage options of 256 GB, 512 GB, and of course, the storage is not expandable as there's no support for microSD cards. The device is equipped with 12 GB of RAM, delivering fast and smooth performance, and it's powered by a 4300 mAh battery. For charging, the Galaxy Z Flip7 supports 25-watt super fast charging, 10-watt wireless charging 2.0, and also features wireless power share, meaning you can charge wirelessly any other device that supports wireless charging by simply smashing them together. When it comes to displays, the main screen is 6.9-inch dynamic AMOLED 2X with a Full HD Plus resolution with 2520 by 1080 pixels and an adaptive refresh rate from 1 to 120 Hz. On the outside, it features a 4.1-inch flex window with a resolution of 948 by 1048 pixels, running at either 60 or 120 Hz. The flex window is protected by Gorilla Glass Victus 2. Looking at the cameras, the Galaxy Z Flip7 offers a dual rear camera system with a 12-megapixel ultra-wide lens and a 50-megapixel wide lens with an aperture of f1.8. The front-facing camera is a 10-megapixel shooter with an aperture of f2.2. The device is water-resistant with an IP48 rating. You can lock it and unlock it with side-mounted fingerprint scanner, and of course there's a facial recognition system. Unlike the Galaxy Z Fold7, Galaxy Z Flip7 does not support DeX, this little box that you put your phone on and you connect a display, keyboard, mouse, and you have all that productivity. That's the prerogative of Fold7, not Flip7. As for dimensions, when folded, the Galaxy Z Flip7 measures 85 by 75 by 13.7 millimeters. So it's pretty thin even when folded. When unfolded, it expands to 166 by 75 by 6.2 millimeters and weighs just 188 grams. It's obviously very compact when you put it in your pocket or whatever. So if you're in the market for very compact, as compact as it could be in the world of very powerful new smartphones, then I don't think you have any other choice except Z Flip7. These are my first impressions. You obviously should expect my full review in upcoming weeks or even month, because I need to use it and have all my impressions. Of course, if you like that video, please support it and subscribe to this channel, like this video, leave a comment, share this video. I appreciate every single one of you. Thank you very much.